Yeah, welcome back. This is Sam. Today we're going to be solving an interesting problem, as you can see, on the bird. So if you're excited to solve with me, let's go. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems. So let's go. Okay, so what we have here is x multiplied by root x equal to x raised to power root x. Okay, now this can be written as x multiplied by x raised to power 1 over 2. Remember our law of indices, right? Our root law. So it makes this possible. Equal to x raised to power root x on this side. Now remember our first law of indices. When you are multiplying same number, you add the powers. So this will give us x raised to power 1 plus 1 over 2 equal to x raised to power root x. Okay, so 1 plus 1 over 2. Normally, when you are adding fractions, you use the LCM method. So 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2. The LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 1 in 2 is 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. 2 in 2 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So that gives us 3 over 2. So coming down here, what we'll have is x raised to power 3 over 2 equal to x raised to power root x. Now, if you look at these two sides very well, the numbers or the bases are equal. And in standard practice in mathematics, if the bases are equal in an equation, the powers have to be equal. So we can apply that. So we say equate the powers. So this cancels this. What we have left, let me bring it up here. What we have here is 3 over 2 equal to what? Root x. Okay, so we can easily square both sides and then we'll have our answer. So let's square both sides. So square both sides. So we have 3 over 2 square equals to root x square. So this cancels this, and what we have x left equal to what we have here, which is 3 square over 2 square. And 3 square is obviously 9. 2 square is obviously 4. So our x final answer 9 over 4, or 2 whole number 1 over 4. Okay, so that's it. I remain Sam. Subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems.